Jamaican died on a Caribbean airline flight from Barbados to Jamaica yesterday. The airline said the crew followed all the relevant procedures. Caribbean Airline did not provide details on the incident, but passengers on the flight said the man was between 35 to 45 years old. He was discovered unconscious in the toilet. A doctor who was among the passengers on the flight assisted in trying to revive the man. The JDF captain that was put into military jail because of a photograph of him and his wife was seen placed in a chair on the pulpit at Pathways Cult Church, severed ties with the army. Captain Omaine Morgan, who has been linked to the controversial Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministries, is no longer a member of the Jamaica Defense Force. It is reported that the Defense Board had granted approval for Captain Morgan to retire his commission in the JDF. Morgan has been retired effective October 27, 2021. A popular dancehall producer, Shab, was remanded when he appeared in the Gun Court Division of the Home Circuit Court today. He is scheduled to return to court on November 10th. The 31-year-old producer, whose given name is Linval Thompson, is charged with illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. His co-accused, Ramara Scott, is also remanded. Mr. Thompson and Mr. Scott were arrested and charged after an illegal gun was allegedly found in their possession in Old Harbour, St. Catherine, earlier this month. A female British national was arrested for breaches of the Dangerous Drugs Act after she was caught in possession of cocaine at the Sangsters International Airport in Montego Bay, St. James on Wednesday. Reports from the police are that at approximately 6:30 p.m., the 25-year-old woman checked in at the airport to board a flight destined to London. Her luggage was searched and 3 sealed parcels containing white powdery substances resembling cocaine was found. Investigators revealed that the drug weighed approximately 1 pound. Thanks for watching.